Yo, so welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, guys. I've been working, trying to build stuff, trying to make money with AI, trying to do everything that I can. So YouTube has not been on my big list of priority of things to do. So anyway, guys, welcome back, man. I just want to say, man, just being a software engineer, man, lately has been scary, just to say the least, with all the layoffs. It's hard getting the jobs. Every time I looked at LinkedIn and all this types of stuff, I see, you know, um, like a lot of jobs that have 300 applicants, and the job was just posted 5 minutes ago, and I'm like, man, like I'm glad I have a job. I'm very grateful, but I'm currently working on trying to self-sustain myself, just get a couple businesses under me, build some SaaS companies or some things just to, just get some money, man. I'm just gonna be completely honest. It's gonna be a real raw dev vlog that I'm currently doing, and just kind of just ranting, just letting you guys know, like, you know, um, the things that is happening right now with me, So just kind of give you guys a rundown. So currently, I built one SaaS application. It's a social media management application where a user can come in and they can make an account and they can connect their social media accounts to my platform. And with that, they can, schedule posts, make posts, blah, 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 blah. You can generate posts from AI and all this types of stuff. And I mean, I know honestly, there's a million applications out there that's doing this right now. And the only thing that's going to have me stick out is my marketing. I have to really market this thing. This is another reason why I'm making YouTube, man, just to get it more exposure. I needed more exposure, okay? But it's not currently ready yet. I'm almost done. I'm definitely going to give you guys a rundown. And I'm also building an e-commerce store, e-commerce store, where I'm just going to be making Shopify things with AI, man. I'm just gonna make as many as I can and just start marketing them, just have my own store, just kind of have some type of digital product where it constantly and consistently is paying me money every single day, whether it's $300 a day, $400 a day, whatever, man. Just at that point where it can replace my job. Like, this is the whole point of doing this. I know everybody's trying to do this, right? And this is the whole point of doing this, is to try to replace our job. Don't want to have to look for a job, go through these strenuous dev job interview processes where we're constantly being asked questions that we're not even going to be using or doing at the job, So it's like, oh man, my arms are getting tired, man. I don't see how people do this. But anyway, let me sit down. Guys. So, actually, I'm going to show you guys. What I'm currently building. Can I flip this? All right. So for the past 7 months, I've been heads down working on the social media management application. It has quite a few features as far as you can generate posts, you can create posts, you can schedule them, and you can post them to your respective social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook, Threads, and TikTok currently. All right, so here's my landing page. Nothing special about the landing page here. I still have to tweak it. I still have to do more things to it to make it better. Right now, it's just kind of generic, just to kind of be a placeholder for my future landing page, right? So if I go down to my dashboard, I'm already logged in. So I can go down to my dashboard. This is where I can see all of my social media posts, right? Currently, I don't have any drafts. I don't have any pending. I need to do some more testing on this, even though it's live, but still just have to do some more testing on this and make sure everything works as it should. I know I got some bugs. Nothing's perfect, right? So anyway, so from here, right, if a person wants to generate posts using AI, right, I have this kind of AI workflow to kind of capture everything that they want with their generated posts. If we want to use from the writings that we create once we create a business. We can use that, or we can just let AI do it, or we can create our own like prompt here and set the tone, set the purpose, whatever. And then we can set what we want the image to look like. Currently, they all look AI-ish. I don't think you can get around that at this given time without having to pay an expensive amount for an API that provides that. So it's kind of like, it's here. I will show you guys in a later video. Right now, I'm currently testing it. I don't even know. Well, let's just see. Right? So I don't think so a lot of these things already have default values, so you don't have to worry about selecting values. You can just go down and then just click generate posts. I'm just going to generate here. You see I have a nice skeleton. Look at that skeleton, man. I love skeletons. No posts were generated, so I got some bugs that I need to squash, but we have that there. And then I know for sure posting to the social media accounts is working. I've been testing that lately and working with AI, man. I must tell you, working with AI, they will fix something and break something else. Fix something and break something else. This is why I have some bugs that I need to go back in and look at and just manually fix myself instead of having AI do it. Because when AI do it, man, it's just not reliable on that end of things. So here you have like your branding. You can change your logo, your brand colors, which I'm not really using for anything right now, but just for future use. This is where you connect your social media accounts. There's like a flow for that, just so we can gather and get which account you want to use. This one probably was the most research intensive thing that I needed to do, but I got it done though. It was really good. And then we have the writing here. So in the writing section, so here, when you create a business and when you go through the initial workflow of creating a business, you can have AI generate all of this for you. So it's not like a long, strenuous onboarding process as well. We can use like some of these topics here to generate content, as well as services and unique selling points. We can also edit this stuff as well. And then here's the post, and then of course the schedule. And if I wanted to go to this date, see, I can't click on these, because if you click on these and try to schedule them, I think I need to change that feature as well. You should be able to click on these to see the posts here. So it's good I'm finding these things. I really like these dev vlogs. It kind of helps me understand what I'm doing and what I need to do. So sometimes my screen goes out and I hate that, but anyway, so this is kind of the gist of what I've been building right now. And it's just like something that I've been working towards, because of course we want to challenge ourselves as software engineers. We want to make sure that we are constantly learning and staying up on trends and all that sorts of things as well. So let me switch back to my camera. So currently, we want to make sure that we're constantly learning things and building new things. And we know with how things going on right now with all these layoffs and people having a hard time finding jobs right now, make sure I'm not covering the mic, that we want to stay ahead of the curve, right? The curve eventually will curve. We got to make sure we stay ahead of it so we don't get left behind, right? So constantly building, constantly trying to think of new ways to generate income. I currently have a software engineering job, but things are looking weary, just period, in the whole space with AI and everything that's going on. Even though AI has its flaws, but for the most part, it's good. I don't know if enterprise level companies can use it yet, but I just want to stay ahead of that curve, So I'm constantly building, marketing. I'm trying to make sure I stay up on my marketing, man. I gotta stay up on my marketing and having fun with this. And I'm gonna do more dev vlogs. I want you guys, to build with me. Like, as software engineers, it's so hard right now to find a job. Even if you're inexperienced, definitely if you are new, you have to branch out and do other things, man. So that's what I'm currently doing, man. So stay tuned for more of the vlogs. I'll be bringing them back. At least I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna do one per week. I'm gonna do one per week, one dev vlog. Let you guys know what's been going on. If I want to do more, I might do more, but sprinkling them in there and whatever. Follow me, subscribe, and see you guys later.